Okay. Okay. I will going to solve this problem using dynamic programming right now using this formula. See here, there is a formula. We can see this is the formula. Ghost I comma s is equal to minimum of edge of the weights I comma j plus ghost j s minus j. This is the formula. Using this formula, then j belongs to s nothing but s is nothing but subset set of vertices. S is nothing but set of vertices. Already I told you about this one. Now see here. Now see here. Please observe here. Everybody, please observe here now. Everyone, please observe here. So what I will going to do? I value. Please observe here. I value I am taking. I value I am taking that is equal to a. Nothing but what here? I value I am taking a. Nothing but what here? That is the source vertex or that is the starting vertex. Got it now? That is the source vertex or that is the starting vertex. Now, if you are taking a starting vertex as a I, nothing but what? G of, see here now, G of A comma, nothing but starting vertex. That is nothing but what is that? I. I is equal to A, nothing but here I is there, right? A. Again, what are the sets are left? What are the vertices are left now? You tell me, what are the vertices are left now? That
B,
is,
C, D.
exactly, exactly. I think you people got now. Okay. B comma C comma D is left. Nothing but what exactly I'm doing. I'm starting from A. I have to visit all these vertices at least once. Once you visited, delete that one. Once you visited, delete that one. Once you visited, delete that one. That is what exactly we have to do. That is the reason why this formula got generated here. So this formula will going to support what? Dynamic programming. Okay, dynamic programming is nothing but all possibilities I will going to check. In that, I will going to take the minimum. Okay, nothing but what? The time complexity of that particular problem is 2 to the power n, but I am reducing to n factorial. Understood? The time complexity of the problem is 2 to the power n, nothing but totally exponential, very complex. Okay, totally nonsense, but I am making that one nonsense to real sense. What is that real sense? It is making to n factorial. That is what exactly I am doing here. Clear? I think you people got this. Now, let's go, let's go, let's go. See here. That is equal to minimum of, see here, minimum of, what is the W? W of, what is that? I is nothing but A. Okay, what is the vertex you will going to select now? Which vertex you will going to visit first? It is your choice. This is your choice. Yes or not? That is your choice. If you want to, if you want, you can go for B, C, D. Which one you want it, you take it, no problem. What is there in that? So that's why what I will going to do, I will going to choose the vertex that is called it as B first. If you want to take C, no problem. Please observe. If you want to take C, no problem. Just I am taking one randomly. I am taking one vertex. Okay, B I am taking. Fine. Plus G of what is the vertex you visited first? J value. J, what is the J value right now? B. So B comma, what is that? Set. What is the set is available? In that set, what is the set is available? B comma C comma D. Nothing but S minus G. S minus J. What you will going to do? S minus J is nothing but B comma C comma D is there here. See here, B comma C comma D is there. In that, I wanted to delete one vertex, which is I visited right now. I visited right now. What is that? B. So that's why S minus J. S is nothing but what? B, C, D. Yes or not? S is nothing but what? B, C, D. B, C, D. In that, minus J. Minus J is nothing but what? B. Nothing but delete this one. Over. Game over. That's it. Yes or not? So what is left here? C comma D. Correct? Correct? Everybody got it? Simple.
Yes,
Over. Just simple problem. Fine. Done. Your problem is solved. Naresh got it, Naresh? Naresh.
yes, yes, sir.
Nobody will give this much brief explanation. Okay, same thing. Okay, fine. See you. Same thing. Again, for this one, okay. B I visited. Again, I have to visit also. See also. Possibilities we have to check it, right? For example, I will going to see. Suppose think like that. You will go to the shop. You will go to the shop. There are 3 jars are there. There are 3 jars are there. So you are standing here. You will going to check. In this jar, some sweets are there. In this jar, some sweets are there. In this jar, some sweets are there. You wanted to buy it. You wanted to buy it. You will going to check all the possibilities or not. You will going to check all the possibilities or not. You will going to taste this one also. You will going to taste this one also. You will going to taste this one also. Which one you like it? You will going to Take that one. Like that here also, I will going to visit B also, C also, D also. But which one is giving minimum path? That one I will going to select. Over. Game over here. That's it. Nothing else. ಅಷ್ಟೇ control. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಚ್ಚ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. Okay, take it. No problem. Okay, minimum of what is that? W of A comma C. Now, what I am visiting? A comma C. B is over actually. A comma C plus. So this is common here. Okay, don't worry. This is common here. Okay, A comma C, G of which one you visited? C. C comma. So what we have to delete here? We have to delete D from that particular set. So nothing but what we have to do here? Exactly. B comma. What is that? D left. Okay, close it. That's it. Yes or not? Yes or not? Simple. Simple. Easy. Again, same thing. That is equal to minimum of W. Okay. A comma B is over, C is over, D now. Okay. D plus G of C comma. Yes or not? Again, what is left? Okay. D I visited, C and B. Okay now. So that's it. Clear, everybody
G
understood?
of D,
Huh? Tell pa.
G of D, sir.
Ah, sorry. Here mistaken. Sorry. D. I forgot that. Okay, done. Here, take BC, no problem. Anything you can take it, no problem. Just BC will be better for my explanation. Got it now? Everybody got it now? Okay. Now, still I am not going to get the answer. See here, I did so many things here. See here, I did this one, this one, this one. So actually now you check it. W of A comma B. A comma B is nothing. Way to B. What is the value you are getting? You are getting the value 16. But what about this one? G, B comma C comma D is there. Okay. B again in this. Okay. So this is what exactly is here. Now you people understand about the dynamic programming now. See here. So this is actually recursion. Please observe here. From year to year, you can able to see here, right? This is actually recursion is happening. That is the reason why I have given day before yesterday, I explained about Fibonacci series. So that is the reason why. What is that Fibonacci series will going to do? It will going to call number of times. Okay, yes or not? That function will going to call number of times, but I don't want to call all those things number of times. I wanted to reduce that one. So what I will going to do? I will going to use one array. Again, I will going to store that. So basically, so I wanted to reduce the time complexity of Fibonacci series. Yes or not? So that is what exactly. Basically, this is a recursion. Still, I have to do it for C and D. Still, I have to do it for C and D. Nothing but what? I visited from A to B. What about CD? Which one you will going to visit? I don't know. Again, I visited C. Again, BD. I don't know. I visited D. Again, BC. I don't know. Which one you will going to visit next? How to do it? That is the reason why from year to year, this is a complete recursion. From year to year, this is a complete recursion. From year to year, this is a complete recursion. Nothing but what? Once again, apply this formula for this one. Again, once again, you do. Got it? Got it now? That is the complexity here. The problems of dynamic problem is you will going to use the recursion. What happens recursion? Calling by itself, calling by itself. The function will be called again and again, again and again. So that is what exactly we are doing here. Okay, now you see, now you people observe here. Now you can see from A to B, we got the value 16. Where we have got the value? A to B. See here, A to B. What is the value? 16, fine. Again here also, A to C. A to C, you check it. A to C, what is there? A to C, what is the value you are getting? That is 11. Again, A to D, you check it. A to D, what is the value you are getting? That is 6. But what about this? Am I getting the value? No. Am I getting the value? No. Then what we have to do? Again, solve the recursion. How we will going to solve the recursion? So by using same formula, again same formula. So that is what step 2. Follow that one. Okay. Now step 2 I will do. See here. Naresh got it? Naresh understood? Naresh.
Yes, sir.
Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Raghu, see here. Again, I is equal to, now I will going to take I is equal to B. Okay. Now, starting vertex is what here? B. Now, what I will going to do? G of starting vertex is what? I value become B or not? So B comma. See here, everybody observe here, B comma. So what is this exactly? Okay. So what are the vertices you wanted to visit? See here, what are the vertices you wanted to visit? So there are so many vertices are there. A is over already. B you taking as a starting vertex. Rest of the things are C and D. Correct? C and D. Okay. Over. Naresh, got it, Naresh?
Yes, sir.
Naresh. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, again, minimum of here, minimum of, okay, W. Okay, so take the starting vertex, that is B, okay, comma, which one you will going to visit now? C I will going to visit. C plus, okay, G of, which one you visited? That is C comma, okay, C comma. So which one is left here? If I delete this one, in this, if I delete the C, what is left here?
D.
D is left. Exactly, Naresh. Correct. Okay, now you see. Okay, I will going to see it. Again, one more time you do it. One more time you have to do it. Okay. So D is over. Again, one more. Okay, that is equal to minimum of, this is common here. Okay. Minimum of W. Okay. B comma. Okay, here D I will going to visit plus G of D. Okay. What is left here? That is C only left. Sorry. C only, right? Yes or not? C only left. Correct? C is left. Yes, C is left. Okay, that's it. Now, see here. Everybody observe here. Everybody carefully observe here. Still, we will get. Can we able to get this? Still, can we able to get this? Please observe here. Can we able to get this? Yes or not? Check it. Okay, here also again recursion is there. Here also again recursion is there. Yes or not? See, here also again recursion is there. So that's why once again you do here. Once again you do here. What is that? So I value I will going to consider as a C. I value I will going to consider as a C. That's why G of, I will go a little bit faster now. So I think you people got it. That is the reason why C comma, what is that? D. So D, this one I am taking. This is also recursion. Once again, still I haven't got the value. This is also recursion. Okay. That is equal to minimum of, what is that? W of, okay, C comma D. Yes or not? Plus, which one you visited now? D comma, okay. Now, that now see here, now please observe here, this is very very important. Okay, C comma D, in the D is the sub D is the set. Yes or not? In the set, what is there? D is there. Minimum of, okay, W of C comma D is fine, but D, I am visiting D again in the vertex. S minus J, S is what here? Basically D is there. D minus D, what you will going to get it? D minus D, what you will going to get it? Will you going to delete anything? No, we cannot able to delete anything. That is the reason why I will going to use the one important notation. I will going to use the one important notation, that is called it as pi here. Okay, that is called it as pi here. So, few more things are there. Please observe here. Few more things are there. Don't worry. Few more things are there. Don't worry right now. So that is the reason why I will going to introduce what is that? D of pi. D of pi. Again, sir, what is this D of pi, sir? Exactly. D of pi is nothing but, see here. Suppose example, for example, please observe here. For example, G of x comma pi. Think like that. G of x comma pi. Okay. So that is equal to W of x comma I. Okay, think like that. So x comma I. What is this exactly? X, we are taking the starting vertex x. Again, pi as a I here. Nothing but go to the same value. Nothing but go to the starting vertex. It says that go to the starting vertex. Yes or not? So we are visiting from A to B, B to C, again C to D. Again, we have to go back, right? So that is the reason why if you not going to get any kind of vertex here, nothing but go back to the same vertex. Nothing but whichever you started, from there only we'll go back. Okay, so that is the reason why what happens here for this one. Please observe here for this one. So we got this. Yes or not? We got this. For this one also again we have to do the recursion. For this one also again we have to do the recursion. So that is what exactly is here. G of D comma pi, D comma pi, that is equal to G of, okay, x comma pi, that is what I am showing here. X comma pi, that is equal to, what is that exactly? W of this is equivalent to, I am talking about this is equivalent to, okay, x comma I. Okay. So don't worry about, if you don't understand this one also, no need to worry. No need to worry. If you are not able to understand, no need to worry about this. So what exactly I'm saying, very simple. G of x comma pi is nothing but W of x comma I. Nothing but, see, wherever you will going to get the pi, go to the same one. That is A. That's it. So nothing but what exactly? So here it will going to give you G of D comma pi. So that is equal to B of A. That's it. Very simple. Okay, na Naresh, you got it now? Naresh, you got it? Pi ಬಂದ್ರೆ
Yes, sir.
ಅದನ್ನ A ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So if you got the pi, you consider as a A. Okay na? Naresh, you got it? Naresh,
Yes, sir.
Naresh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So nothing but now you got the value. Yes or not? Now you got the value. So now see here D comma A, from D to A. Check it. What is the value we are getting? D to A. See, from D to A. What is the value you are getting? That is 5. Yes or not? That is 5 we are getting. Nothing but what? G of, see here, observe here. G of D comma pi, that is equal to 5, because D to A. D to A, 5 we got it or not? 5 we got it or not? See here, observe here. 5 we got it or not? That is what exactly, pa. So this is how you have to do it. Okay. So we got this. Okay, we got this one. Fine. Fine, everyone okay? Everyone okay with this?
Yes, sir.
So I think you people got this. So that's why lot of process is there. Lot of process is there. Now you got the 5. Yes or not? Now you got the 5. So this one you got the 5. Now see here. Everybody observe here. G comma D, G of D comma C. Minimum of, see here, minimum of. This one, I think you people got this one. Now see here. So D comma pi, what is the value you are getting? This one, D comma pi. This is value you are getting 5. 5. Yes or not? Plus W of C comma D. Check it, C comma D. What is the value? C to D, C to D, C to D. Check it. 9.
9.
Okay, 9. So 9 plus 5, what you will going to get it? That is equal to 14. So that is what exactly. For this one, we got it. So what is this? For G of C comma D, we got the value that is 14. Okay, that is 14 we got it. Fine. Got it now? Everybody got it now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Raghu?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you do this much, you will going to get the value, this value. Okay. See, that is what. See, here also recursion. Once again, you do the recursion. See here, G of D comma pi. So even though you no need to understand this, okay, no need to understand this, okay. So G of D comma pi is nothing but D comma A. That's it. You have to understand. No need to worry about this also. Okay, no need to worry about this one also. But for understanding, I am writing this one. For understanding, I am writing this one. Sir, what is this? I is actually, see, I is actually A. So that is the reason why x of A. Okay. So x is the starting. This is also starting here also. So D is the starting. Nothing, pi is nothing but what exactly? That is I. Okay, pi is nothing but what exactly? That is I. That is the reason why A here. That is the reason why A here. That's it. That is the reason why I wrote this one. Okay, that's why you got the value 5. Okay, you got it. I think you people got this. For this whole one, you got the 14. Okay. So what exactly I did here? For this one, I got the answer. Okay, correct or not? Correct or not, guys? You tell me. For that one, I got the answer. Nothing but for this one, I got the answer. Nothing but what? 14. Okay, for this one, 14. Again, BC. You check it, BC. So that is 13. So that is equal to 27. Correct? Huh? Yes or not? But what about this one? We got this one? No. Again, we have to do once again. Yes or not? Again, we have to do for this also once again. Yes or not? Again, we have to do for this one also once again. Let's do that one also. No problem. What is there? We will going to do that one also. Okay. Here we will going to finish. Here we will going to finish. No problem. Very easy one actually. Okay. Now take this one. Okay. So I will going to write here. G of, everybody's here. G of D comma C. Okay. So that is equal to, yes or not? G of D comma C, that is equal to minimum of, you have to write that one, minimum of W. Okay. So that is, what is that? D That is the starting vertex here. Again, so which one you will going to select? That is C. Okay, we will going to select C. Again, plus G of what we have visited. This is the visited. That is C comma. So what we have to delete? Actually, we have to delete the C. If I delete the C, what is the left here? Pi. That's it, over.
5.
Over or not? That's it, over. Now G of, see here. Now G of C comma pi. That is what exactly I'm talking about. Here D comma pi is there. Yes or not? D comma pi is there. Here C
4.
comma pi is there. Nothing but what exactly? That is equal to.
4.
Okay, that is equal to. Please observe here. That is equal to. Okay, that is equal to. What is that? G of C comma A. That's it. Okay. Yes or not? One line, one line, one line, one line. Okay. So that is equal to, what is that exactly? C comma A. That's it. Okay, fine. Fine. Yes or not? Yes or not? So that is what? That is the reason why I written this one. That is the reason why I written this in. What is that? W of C comma A. That's it. Okay. Now you people check it. C to A. What is the value? C to A. C to A. That is 4.
4.
Yes or not? C to A. That is 4. You got the value 4 here. Now for this one. Okay. For this one. What do you got it? For this one. What is the value you got it? G of D comma
4.
C. What is the value you got it? You got the value 4. 4 plus. So B to D. Check it. B to D. B to D. Check it.
16.
16. Okay. What is the value? Total value? 20 over.
20.
Yes or not? 20 over. Nothing but what is this? We identified for these two. We identify for these two. Nothing but, so what exactly we are doing here? G of B comma C comma D. We got the value. Yes or not? B of G comma C comma D. We got the value or not? Check it. Check it, everyone. So 27 we got it here. Fine. 27 we got it here. Yes or not? Again, after that, 20 we got it here. No problem. Okay. 20 we got it. Okay. Now say B to C. We check it. 13. Yes. 27. That is fine. No problem. Again here. One more here. Wait a minute. One more here. B to C. B to C. Check this one. C to A. Check this one. C to A. C to A. 4 here. C to A. 4 here. No mistake is there. You check. This one we got it. No problem. This one we got it. W of D comma C, that is fine. Again D comma C of fine. Okay. D to C. Okay. Sorry, I forgotten this one, right? I forgotten this one. See here. D to C. You check it. D to C. D to C. 2. 2 plus. I will change the color here. For this one, I forgotten. Yeah, I haven't seen this one. Okay. For this one, I haven't done. 2 plus C comma pi. What is the value you got it? What is the value you got it? 4. So that is equal to, what is that? 4, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we got the 6. Yes or not? We got the 6. Nothing but what? That is the problem here. G of D comma C. G of D comma C. Actually, it is not 4. It is 6. Nothing but you will going to get the value 22. Fine. Naresh, okay now? Naresh, okay now? Naresh, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So this is what exactly you have to do, pa. This is the problem you have to solve like this. Okay. What are the things are over? Only one is over. See here? Only one is over. Only one is over. This one is over actually. Okay. Still like this. I have to do for this one. I have to do for this one, like that we have to do. Okay. So now what I will going to do here, everyone, I will take here only I will finish. Don't worry. Here only I will finish. Here only I will finish. Don't worry.
Sir, in this we got G of C comma D 4, no, sir?
Huh?
We got 4, no, sir?
Where?
G of D comma C.
G of C comma pi, that is. Which one you are talking about?
This one, sir, G of D comma C.
G of
This
D
one, sir.
comma C. That is 6 actually. 6. This is 6 pa. 2
Okay,
plus
sir.
this one 6. That is, this one is 4. That is equal to 6. Correct? Okay,
Yes,
na?
sir, yes, sir.
Correct, right? Naresh, okay.
Yes, sir.
D comma C. Check it. D comma C. Where is there? D comma C. 2. Okay. We are getting 2. Correct, right? That is fine. Again,
Yes, sir.
G of C comma pi. Again, when you do this one, G of C comma pi, nothing but C2A. C2A. What is that? C2A. C2A. That is 4 here. Okay. Correct.
4.
Then what you will going to get it? 2 plus 4. That is equal to 6. We got the
6.
value 6. Okay, yes or
Okay,
not?
sir.
Which one you got the value? C. G of D comma C, you got the value 6. Okay, fine. So we will see further is there. Okay, further is there. Please wait for some time. Sir, bande. No problem, sir. Okay, Naresh. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You got it. Everything you got it now.
Yes, sir.
Everything you got it. No problem, right? Problem ಏನು
Yes,
ಇಲ್ಲ
sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ ನರೇಶ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, sir.
Okay. So if you are able to understand that much, okay. If you are able to understand, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಂತು? ಒಂದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 27 ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 22 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಒಂದು
Yes,
ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
sir.
27. ಓಕೆ 16 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 22 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಕಮ ಸಿ ಕಮ ಡಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಕಮ ಸಿ ಕಮ ಡಿ ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಂದಿದೆ. Again here for
27.
this one we got the 27. Okay, 27 we got it like that. Please observe here. 16 we got it here, right? Okay, so now see here. So this one we got it. Please observe this one. One more important thing is there. I forgotten this one. If you do this, in one sheet, okay, see here. Final thing. Everybody observe here. Final thing you observe here. Okay, we will go to the 16 A to B. A to B, check it. What is there? What we got it? 16. That is we got it again. That is what exactly I'm talking here. G of B comma. See here, everybody observe here. G of B comma C comma D. What is the value we got it? We got the value 27. We got the value 27. Nothing but 16 plus 27. What is the value you got it? 16 plus 27. What is the value you got it? Okay, 16 plus 27.
43.
G comma C comma D. Okay, 43, right? 43. So that is what we got it. But okay. Now, one more important thing you need to understand here in this. Okay, when I choose the B, please observe here. When I choose the B, first vertex from A to B, I am visiting first vertex, that is B. So basically 27 is one value you are getting. Okay. 27 plus 27, what is the value you got it? 27 plus 27, what is the value you got it? Okay, 27 plus 27, what is the value you got it? 27 plus 27, what is the value you got it? Okay, 27 plus 27, what is the value you got it? Okay, 27 plus 27, what is the value you got it? Okay, 27 plus 27, what is the value you got it? Okay, 27 plus 27, what is the value you got it? Okay, 27 plus 27, what is the value you got it? Okay, 27 plus 27, what is the value you got it? Okay, 27 plus 27, what is the value you got it? Okay, 27 plus 27, what is the value you got it? Okay, 27 plus 27, what is the value you got it? Okay, 27 plus 27, what is the value you got it? Okay, 27 plus 27, what is the value you got it? Okay, 27 plus 27, what is the value you got it? Okay, 27 plus 27, what is the value you got it? Okay, 27 plus 27, what is the value you got it? Okay, 27 plus 27, what is the value you got it? Okay, Again, one more value we are getting 22. I told you very clearly. In this, what we have to do? We have to take the minimum. That's why instead of taking 27, please observe here. Instead of taking 27, everyone observe here. Instead of taking 27, take 22 because it's a minimum. So that's why what is the value you will going to get it? You will going to get the value 38. Nothing but one vertex is completely finished. Yes or not? One visiting one vertex, B visited, that is completely finished. Again, what about C? What about D? So like that we have to do once again. For this one, we have to identify half of that. So for these three, okay, B, C, D, in this we have to identify the minimum, then over. The game is over, you will going to get the value. So that's what we will want to do, those two. What is that? C as well as D we will want to do now. Okay. So we will going to finish that one also. Don't worry right now. Okay. We'll finish this. Don't worry.